Like Toledo, BG with a short week as they head to Miami on Tuesday night. More bad news for the Falcons defense. Linebacker Bryce Brand will miss the rest of the season after suffering an eye injury in the win over Buffalo. Following the loss to UT, Falcons are now 3-7, so they will finish with another losing season. But there have certainly been signs of improvement this year, and as Scott Loeffler continues to follow the Dave Clawson model of building the program for the long haul, he sees the team as being right on target.
Dave has laid it out. Obviously, my situation was even different than his, but he's laid it out, and he's been dead right. I mean, dead right. Year one, you're going to stink. Year two, you're going to stink more. Year three, you're going to win some games that you're not supposed to win, and you're going to lose some games that you were supposed to win. And that's been the formula. You see it now. You see a locker room that finally likes each other, that knows each other's names, that loves each other, and we've got that part going for us now. Now it's time to go fill our needs and go compete and bring Bowling Green back to our standards and expectations. That's been the plan in 4 and 5. Year 4 and 5, that's what needs to be done.